Our next big berry harvest from our food forest is these beautiful dark Aronia berries. This is a berry that's probably not quite so well known, but they are super medicinal, high in antioxidants, high in vitamin C and iron. They are packed with goodness. Sometimes known as chokeberries, they are native to North America, I believe, and the Native Americans have traditionally used these in things like teas and to treat colds. My favourite ways that I have found so far to use Aronia berries is to pick them and freeze them whole, and then I just use them throughout the winter and I add them to smoothies. Absolutely delicious and give you a real nutrient boost right in the middle of winter when we need it the most. I also love using them in jam. I would love to know how you guys use Aronia berries as well, so please share your favourite recipes in the comments down below. Not only does this shrub provide super nutrient dense berries, but it is also fairly easy to grow as well. It is hardy down to -20 degrees centigrade. This bush is also drought tolerant and once established requires very little care and maintenance. What an amazing plant. In spring, this amazing shrub puts on a stunning show of white flowers that are enjoyed by both us and the insects. And then in autumn, the leaves turn a beautiful reddy orange colour, and here in our climate, this plant stays semi-evergreen. These beautiful dark Aronia berries are quite firm to touch and a good size too, which makes them pretty easy to harvest and work with. And how I gauge when the Aronia berries are ready to pick is you can usually just start seeing the fruit turn from this redder colour, and then they start turning darker black, and also when the berries roll off fairly easily between your fingers. These supercharged berries should definitely be on your food forest wish list of superfoods. Some early studies have shown they could help reduce cell damage in people with breast cancer. They may help against insulin resistance, and their juice could improve liver function. Aronia berries are still quite a new one on us, so we would love to hear what you guys know and have to share about these amazing berries too. Just look at all these amazing Aronia berries. What a beautiful harvest from just 2 bushes.